Exercise 5.1 problem 3 discussion. The center of a circle is at minus 6, 4. If one end of the diameter of the circle is at origin, then find the other end. Okay, let's draw a simple diagram. So the center is minus 6, 4. If one end of the diameter that is at the origin, that is this end, let it be 0, 0. And we are asked to calculate the other end. Okay, so this is what the problem is all about. But we know the center is the midpoint of the diameter. Okay, at the two ends, right? So you can use the midpoint formula. Okay, right. Let's mark what is given here. The center is given minus 6, 4, and one end of the diameter is at the origin, that is 0, 0. And we are asked to find the other end. Okay, so given center is minus 6, 4, one end of the diameter is 0, 0. We are asked to calculate coordinates of the other end of the diameter. The formula which we need to use is midpoint m of xy equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So here the midpoint mxy is minus 6, 4, and x1 y1 is one end, that is 0, 0, and x2 y2 is the one which we need to calculate. So all you need to do is that find the midpoint, okay, of the 2 points 0, 0 and x2 y2, and equate the x coordinate of that to this, the y coordinate to this, that is basically 0 plus x2 divided by 2 will be minus 6. Similarly, y coordinate means 0 plus y2 divided by 2 will be equal to 4. And solve the equations and get the value of x2 and y2. Okay, so it's a very simple straightforward substitution. So let x2 y2 be the other end of the diameter. Substitute 0, 0 x2 y2 in this formula and equate to minus 6, 4. That's what we did, right? I showed how to do it. Simplify and get the values of x2 y2. Okay, so 0 plus x2 divided by 2 is minus 6. Again, let me repeat. So 0 plus y2 divided by 2 is minus 4. And simplify and get the value of x2 and y2. Okay, so please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. Once you have completed, please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, solution. The midpoint of 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by m of xy is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so let x2, y2 be the other end of the diameter. So 0 plus x2 divided by 2 is minus 6. So, and the other one is 0 plus y2 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so when you simplify this, what will happen? This will be x2, 0 plus x2, this 2 will go other side as in multiplication mode, minus 6 into 2. So x2 will be minus 12. Similarly, y2 will be 2 4s are 8. So x2, y2 will be minus 12, 8. So it's just an inverse problem. Normally they give the two coordinates, the coordinates of the 2 points, and we are asked to find the midpoint. Here they've given the coordinate of one point and the coordinate of the center and asked to calculate the other point. Okay, that's all it is. That's the only difference. But anyway, the same problem is applicable, same formula. Only thing is that we'll have to change the way we use the formula. Okay, so I hope you got the problem right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable corrections. Thank you for watching this video.